what is going on, everyone? Kai, again, not a knife showcase. Well, actually, this time, that one. It's 2 knives. I got delivery today of my new knives. I moved the hard drives out of the way. Still in the packaging. So, yeah, you can see I've not opened it yet. I mean, well, actually, for all you know, I have, but I've not. This was an address, and this was a customer reference, so I took it off. I don't know what the hell anyone could do with that, so that's not there. I guess there is also a barcode on it. 2 seconds. Alright, back at it. So yeah, unopened package, delivered today, and let's see what these knives look like. The knives in question, I've got the Crusader. Oh, no, actually, I think it's called a Crusader. It's a Knights Templar, nice crosslock knife. So it's like a Crusader knife basically. Man, this is gonna be so bad for the audio. I should have like undid this before starting the audio, but whatever. And the other one that I've got is a zebrawood Leguiole pocket knife. It's an Anglo Arms pocket knife. That's the point of it. And that'll be this one here. I guess I'll just start with this one. And we'll get that one out in a second. So, it's a little pocket knife. It's stainless steel, 7.5, just over 7.5 centimeter blade, and it's nice. Oh, look at that. That's actually really sick. It was a $5, so it's not expensive. Hold on. Yeah, $5, not expensive. So, absolutely nice as all hell. It's actually bigger than I thought it was going to be. That's always a bonus. Look at that, man. That is some expert craftsmanship right there. It's also got a corkscrew on it. The corkscrew as well on this bad boy. It's a 3mm blade thickness. 3mm thick blade, even. That's a weird way to say that word. And yeah, it is a lock knife, so I'll try to see where the shh phone. It is a lock knife. I reckon that's the release there. Somewhere. Alright, it is a lock knife, in a way. Shut, please. It doesn't actually have a release on it. I thought that was a release. It's not a release. Well, it is. You just need to give it a bit more oomph when you're closing it. And also don't have your fingers in there. Because if you don't have a good grip on that, you're going to close it on your fingers. And that's not going to be good for anyone. Well, mainly you. But yeah, so, it's got a nice zebrawood handle here. It is not full tang because it's a pocket knife. So, it'd be kind of hard to have this full tang, you know. It's 21 centimeters in length when it's fully open, and it's got a clip point blade, as you can see there. Also got like my hand, like fingerprints all over it now. I mean, obviously, but like tainted the blade there. So yeah, it's got a clip point blade, as you can see right there. It's blade grind. Oh, nice! It's got a full flat blade grind as well. You won't be able to see this in the camera. Nah, you won't be able to see that in the camera. It's got a full flat blade grind though on the blade, obviously. Its sheath, it says it's nylon. There is no sheath. Yeah, there is no sheath. So I don't know what it's talking about. And it's 106 grams, so not exactly heavy. It's a pocket knife. It's a nice ass pocket knife. This is 100% my new favourite pocket knife. Definitely, because it looks nice, it feels nice, and also I like the rigidity of the blade. Like, you're not going to accidentally like push that down. So I'm putting like a reasonable amount of force behind that right there, and it's not closing it, so great. Ooh, see what I mean? It definitely locks it in place. So absolutely 100% worth a $5. I mean a $5. It was just a $5. £5. I have a 2-pence coin here as well for like size comparisons. You know. I should have moved this further back, but I can't. There's hard drives in the way, so rip. But yeah, no. Anglo Arms zebrawood pocket knife is definitely worth the money. I would absolutely recommend. If you need like a little like a work tool, something like if you're like cutting open boxes and you don't want a box cutter, you want something with a little bit more class and elegance, you know, then I would definitely say you should go for this. Definitely great knife. Or what was it? A nice knife. There we go. No, but yeah, it's a nice knife. Great. So now that one's done, I'm gonna not close my fingers on the blade. I kind of like stabbed my pinky when I was opening, when I was taking the thing off, the QR code off. So yeah, don't do that. Here's the box it came in. Also, I mean, obviously you saw me open it. Next knife is the Knights 3D Cross. Ooh. What the hell? Wait. Right, I ordered 2 knives. I don't know what's going on here. I don't know if I'm being bamboozled by the site. I ordered 2 knives. The 3D Knights Cross lock knife and the Gentleman knife. I've got 1, 2, and 3 knives here. I know what it is. I've just having ideas to what this is. Yeah. Oh, I know exactly what's happened. Alright, well, I guess, even though it says it's in stock, the Knight's Cross knife was not in stock. So they've sent me 3 Anglo Arms. Fucking Anglo Arms, man. Well, actually, this might not be Anglo Arms. What's this? Ooh, my god, these look like nice knives. Alright, 3 knives. At least 2 of which are Anglo Arms. So let's see what they are. I don't even know what the hell these are going to be, to be honest. I didn't get any notification of this. They just sent them. It's like, alright, okay. Right, we got an Anglo Arms. Oh, that's pretty nice actually. I'm going to try and stop saying that. Anglo Arms. I don't know, obviously, what kind of knife this is though. It's got a nice like carbon fibre handle on it though. I mean, it's not actual carbon fibre, it's just designed to look like that. Like the camo from Black Ops 2. It's, I'd say, about 2 3/4 inch blade on it. Overall. Oh wait, I found my tape measure actually. Hang on. Alright, yeah. Here we go. Tape measure found. It was in my living room, like I thought it would be. Whoa! Don't fall. Alright. So let's see. All these marks, by the way, on the desk, like that there, that and that. They're like scars on the desk because I like kind of stabbed it. So let's see. This is roughly about what's that, like 7.5 inches? 7.5 inches in total. And oh wow, that's a lot longer. It's just over 3. It's about 3 1/4 inch. That's not bad. 3 1/4 inch blade. 7.5 overall. It's got a little belt loop there. Hang on. I'm gonna put this blade away before I stab myself with it again. Well, not again, but today again. Got a little loop there thing you can see. So you can like put it onto your belt, I guess. So what I'm gonna assume is, oh yeah, also a clip, so that you can you know, clip it onto your stuff. So what I'm gonna assume happened here is they ran out of stock of the Knight's knife, which, I mean, yeah, it's good that they dnaleisure, by the way, is the site I got it from. It's good that they compensated for the price, because all of these I'm assuming would match up to the $16.95. Actually, it probably matches up to more. The Knight's knife was, but at the same time, I want the Knight's knife. But no, these knives are nice. So I'll try and find what these are, but I don't know how the hell I'm going to do that if I don't know. I didn't even get a, like, they usually give you a thing that's like, hey, this is what you got, but they didn't do it this time. Well. Anyway, let's see. I'll see if I can find these knives here. Yeah, okay. So it is an Anglo Arms carbon fibre lock knife. It's a nylon pouch is the sheath, which is this you see here. It is 4.5 inches when it's closed. It's 3 1/4 inch blade, which I said, and 7.6 inches overall when it's opened. 99 grams, so just a bit lighter than this one, which isn't too bad. It's a nice weight for it. And yeah. It's a lock knife, really. Anglo Arms. Anglo Arms is, if not my favourite, it's like my second favourite make. M-Tech, Anglo Arms are definitely up there. If I had the money, M48 Tactical would be way up there, but I don't have the money for that because they're expensive as shit. So, Anglo Arms lock knife, carbon fibre lock knife is numero dos. What we've got here, put it back in the sheath. Actually, I'll keep it out and sit next to the other Anglo Arms. I really like this knife. It's really nice. Next one. Let's see what we got. I'll open it, I'll have a look at it, and I'll see if I can find it. It's another lock knife by the looks of it. So we got, what is the make will be on the blade, I'm gonna assume. Oh, another Anglo Arms, like it. Like it? Right, okay. That's a nice looking knife. Nice little handle right here. It's a clip point blade as well. Blade grind is... I want to say saber. By the looks of it. Yeah. Well, actually, that might be a chisel. Nah, I'm pretty sure saber. So I think it's a saber blade grind on here, and I'll just see if I can find it on the site to get the details. Alright, found the knife. It's a gentleman's zebra wood knife, same as this one, but it, you know, looks different. So it's yeah, same make, same material used, same. It actually looks very similar. Come to think of it, it's got the it's got the same like silver places, silver in the same places. Those are a corkscrew on it, obviously. The blade length is well, when it's open, the whole knife is 19.5 centimeters. So right now it's 19.5 centimeters. So it's just a bit smaller than this one, the carbon fiber. Thought I was going to sneeze there. The blade length is 7.6 centimeters. Oh, it's a high flat blade grind. Never mind, I'm done. Clip point, obviously, that's not hard to miss. Steel liner even, not linen. Steel liner and zebra wood are the materials used for it. So obviously not full tank because it's a lock knife, so that doesn't make sense. And it's 146 grams, so heavier than the other two that I've gone through so far. Just as nice, although I think my favourite one so far is definitely the Anglo Arms gentleman lock knife, zebra wood lock knife, which is confusing now because these both these knives actually do have the same name. Oh no, this is the this was what was it? Oh, this was what the hell was his name? Hang on. Alright, yeah, so this is the Laguiole knife, zebra wood Laguiole, apparently is how you pronounce it. And this is the zebra wood gentleman's lock knife. So, oh my god, why do I keep getting so many notifications? Please. So very similar knives, same basic construct, you know, materials, size, weight. Actually, this is a bit heavier. It's about half a. Oh, what is it? It's like 40 grams heavier, something like that. Both nice knives. Not lock knives though. So, wait, is this a lock knife? No, not a lock knife. Is it? Hold on. Did I really close this? Oh, ooh, that's a lock knife, but the release catch is up here. I've not had that in any of my knives before. Hang on, move that so it's still bright, but it's not too bright. I've not had that in any of my knives before. It's usually like in there. So this is the release. Push that down, and it releases the blade, so you can give it a nice little close right there. That's pretty cool. So yeah, German zebra wood pocket lock knife. Nice knife. And the final knife of the day. My god, I get 4 knives today. That is good day. It's a good day. Another Anglo Arms. Obviously, I think DNA. I've noticed that like all my purchases have been like Anglo Arms and like some of MTech. Oh, I know this knife actually. This is the grenade. Oh, this is a nice knife actually. That is a nice knife. Hold on. Acquiring of the details. Alright. Okay. I did unpause. Alright, it's not a grenade knife. I'm thinking something different. It's an Anglo Arms camouflage rescue knife. So it's got the clip to clip onto your clothes and whatnot. It has. I don't know what the practical use for this would be right here, because I mean it's a bayonet mount for like if that was an actual gun, it'd be a bayonet mount. An actual gun, an actual like long bayonet. That would be the mount for it. So I don't really know what the hell it's for in this. This here, it's got a razor. You can see that. Let's see. There we go. That silver piece, like there, right in there. That's like sharp as all hell. That'll be for cutting cord. So if like, I don't know if you're mountain climber or something, or if someone's stuck somewhere, you can just pull that out and cut the cord with it. It's got a spring assisted. My first spring assisted of the day. Oh, it's not spring assisted. Just kidding. Alright, it's just assisted with this thing, which also doubles as a sort of guard as well for your finger, which is pretty nice. It is nice indeed. Move the light down a little bit more. So yeah, it's got a nice clip point blade as well, by the looks of it. 138 grams in total, which is between the gentleman zebra wood and carbon fibre, I think. What else? It's got a little mini serration on the blade here, which is pretty nice. The closed length is 4 1/4 inches. Total length when open is 8, and the blade obviously is 3.5 inches in length. It's Anglo Arms, obviously. You saw it. It says it on it as well, which is nice. You get a nice little picture of it right there. Not picture, show of it. Picture, you're dumb. But yeah, nice knife. Also, that's what I was thinking. Like, that's where the releases usually are, which threw me for a curveball when this one was here. So yeah, has a release at the blade itself at the hilt, which is nice. I like that on knives. You can either use that to get it out and there, or you can just use the little nubbin thing there to like push it around. My Walther Tactical P38 does that. It has that section as well, and so there are a few other of my pocket knives. So that's what I'm used to. But either way, that's also a nice knife. All of them are nice. Let's say, oh yeah, this one, the carbon fibre has it too. Idiot, sitting right there and didn't even think about it. All right, so let's see all the knives lined out with each other. Get these moved here. Oops. Put that in there. There we go. Those are my knives of today. I got today. Nice knives. Am I right? Say that again. So yeah, from here, get the zebra wood gentleman lock knife. Got the Anglo Arms camouflage rescue knife. Got the carbon fibre Anglo Arms lock knife. Wait, yeah, lock knife. And the Leo, it's either like Lagwheel or Leo zebra wood knife. Also, Anglo Arms. So 4 Anglo Arms knives. Good day. That's a good day today. So thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, subscribe. This has a considerable amount more information in it than my usual videos do, because I get 4 times as many knives in the video. So, you know, it's an unexpected bonus. I will one day get my hands on that Knights Crusader knife. One of these days. Mark my words. But anyway, thanks for watching the video. Subscribe if you want. And check out my other ones on the knives. Goodbye.